Assalamu alaikum. This is the demo video of Sprint 2 at SkipQ. So here I am at the GitHub repository of the Sprint, and here we can see that I have created a readMD file which explains what stuff has been done throughout this sprint and what are the assignments that were solved during it. So this is my repository, and it contains code for each and every assignment, as you can see. And now I think it's better for me to go inside what I've done in the assignment. So this is our first assignment. So what we had to do was to create a home page, and in this home page we just have to give a title and three boxes. So this wasn't using any bootstrap, it was only using predefined media code, and here we have defined three boxes, and our task was to change their size according to the screen size. So we have three different screen sizes, which are small, medium and large, for designated mobile, tablets and laptops. So here we are at our large screen. So this is for laptop. As you can see, the chicken, beef and sushi are just right after each other, and they are in one row. And if I go towards the medium screen, which is this one, so here we can see that now the sushi, which was the last column, has shifted below, and more space have been accommodated for the both boxes which were at the first. So here we can see the chicken, beef and sushi are well aligned as well, so there is no gap and the margins are correct. And apart from that, if we go to the small view, which is for mobile phone, we can see that now it is containing each and every column of a single row, and each box is occupying a single row. So here we can see that we are just assigning different number of columns at different screen size, and this is our assignment 1. And if I go to assignment 2, assignment 2 had pretty similar task, but apart from the fact that we had to create a header for our homepage, and we just had to create one big box which had a scrolling function. So that was also done. And apart from that, if we go to medium size, it wouldn't change much, but if we go to small size, we can see this icon bar comes right at the header of the website of the homepage, and if we click it, we can navigate to different sections of the homepage. So here we have our mandatory task was not to create each and every section and navigate towards them through these icons, but to only create them and to show that we are able to create such buttons, and then we can just attach the hyperlinks to that particular section. The optional tasks were to create them, but I didn't create them because I think they were very much similar to what we had done in this assignment. So I didn't invest more time onto it and watch the non-technical stuff and other mandatory stuff. And this is our assignment 3, which was of week 4. So here we were on the JavaScript. So there were two ways to do it, and I did from in both ways, because if you could do a harder way, then you could also do an easier way. So that was the part. So if I go to the harder way and go to index.html, so it shows us this basic homepage. But if I go towards the console, we can see that it prints array of saying hello and goodbyes to certain people. So what is going on here is that we are checking if the person's name is starting with J, capital J, small j, and then if it starts with J, then we are ought to say goodbye to them, and if it starts with any other letter, then we have to say hello. So here, if I go towards the code, I think this one, yeah. So here we were given this particular array for the assignment. So it had different names, and what we just had to do was to traverse over the whole array and check if the first letter is J. So if the first letter is J, then we will call the function bySpeaker.speak, and if not, then we will say hello speaker.speak. So it had certain other theoretical concepts related to the assignment as well. So if I go to the assignment, also go to particular file. So we are calling the ify functions, which are immediate functions. These functions are executed immediately as soon as the file is called, and it is stored in the global variable. So these were how we manipulated both the function and stopped them from overriding to each other. So this was our task for assignment 4, and for assignment 5, we were given this particular website which was created throughout the course, and our task was to manipulate this button in such a way that it goes to a random single category menu on clicking the specials button. So if I click on special button, it first goes to wheels menu, and if I repeatedly click on it, it goes to different single menu pages. So here this time it's go egg foods menu, this time it's on curry, this time side order. So it can repeat itself as well, but mostly we have created a random function for it, so these are going to different pages. So that was our assignment 5, and what we had to do was to call a random function, and I think that was just about it for the assignment. we had to just call it in a right place as well. So that was it. Okay, so I've shown the GitHub repo as well. So this is my lead code right now profile, and we can see that I have attempted certain questions which were assigned for this week, like add two numbers, reverse linked list +1, and linked list cycle, and maximum subarray. So these were the 5 problems. I didn't get enough time to attempt more questions of lead code, but inshallah I will try to attempt them in the upcoming weekend and weekdays. Just realized that I hadn't shown you guys my Coursera. So this is my profile, Mohammad Amar, and here you can see that I have completed each of the week of the course, and only the last sections are left because they have one graded assignment which were not accessible for us. So you can see that each of the week are completed, and in fact I had watched each and every video. So that's about it. Thank you so much again, and Allah Hafiz.